Hello everybody, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I'm Gabrielle and today I'm going to show you a 5-minute warm-up you can do before any exercise. I'm going to be showing you a completely equipment-free warm-up that will really help to get the heart rate high and get the whole of the body ready for any workout that you are doing. This is a really accessible warm-up for anybody. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comments section and let me know how you got on with your warm-up. Let's get started. Bring yourself so your feet are underneath your hips, 2 shoulder rolls round, 2 shoulder rolls round, and then you're going to shoulder roll forwards, shoulder roll forwards, and then straight into a march. Bringing the knees up in front of yourself, the feet just pop down to the floor. You're going to start to get the heart rate up. At this point, forget about everybody else. You are taking this next 5 minutes for you to warm up your body. So just marching the feet in front of yourself. From here, reach hands up to the ceiling, inhale, exhale, bring them all the way back down again. All the way up, all the way back down again. One more, all the way up, breathe in, exhale away. Now you're gonna start, continue to march and just start to roll the arms round. Now it doesn't matter if you're out of beat, just keep moving the body, and then you're gonna go circle all the way round and down with the arms again, all the way round and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the feet wider than your hips. Take a bend through the knees, incline the body forwards. You're just gonna start to tap over to the toes. Tap, 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 tap. So you're going opposite toe with your hand. As you scoot side to side, the hips, they try to stay on the same level. If you want more at this point, opposite hand up to the ceiling. So keep those hips nice and low. This is warming up your legs into your glutes, into your thighs. Go reach, reach, keep going reach. Over to the opposite toe. We go reach. Now can you maybe get a little bit into the spine and take the head to the ceiling? Reach, reach. Just give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bringing yourself all the way back up again. I want you to bring your feet underneath the hips. You're gonna reach your right arm out to the side, left arm. So we're gonna go modified jacks. Reach, reach. My mind's going absolutely everywhere today. We go reach, reach. You're just reaching one hand out, one leg out, and thinking about getting that heart rate up. Reach. So this is completely apartment friendly as well. We go for a reach, reach. We're gonna take another 30 more seconds of this before we come down to the floor. Hopefully by now your heart rate should be a little bit higher. Reach, press, press. 20 more seconds here. Inhale, exhale away. 15 more seconds now. Make sure you're bending through those knees. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Down to the floor. Just going to rearrange my mat so it looks a little bit better. Bring the hands under the shoulders, eye line to the floor, knees underneath the hips, plank prep. Now tuck the toes under, lift the knees 1 inch up and away from the floor. Now squeeze your navel up to the spine. So now you've warmed up the body. We're going to really work nice and deep into warming up through the arms, through the abs. Eye line is just on top of your fingers. Now tap the knees, lift the knees. Tap, lift, tap, lift. Now you want to keep your back nice and straight here. I always say, imagine you've got something on your back you really, really don't want to spill. Tap, lift. 4, lift up. 3, keep going. 2, last one. Lift and hold the knees. You're then going to step one foot back, step the other foot back. Create a gorgeous long plank through the body. Hands under the shoulders, eye line to the floor. Eye line is just slightly over the top of the fingertips. Breathe in, breathe out, exhale away. We're gonna now take it down into a forearm plank. Lower your left forearm down. Lower the right forearm down, forearm plank. Your shoulders, they still stay stacked above your wrists. Now keep squeezing, working for the fight through the navel. Now tap, right knee, lift. Left knee, lift. Right knee, breathe, inhale, exhale. We've got 4, lift. 3, lift. 2, lift. Last one, now you're gonna hold. Give me 10 seconds here. Go 10, 9, push back to a child's pose in 7, 6, you got it, 5, squeeze the navel in 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Toes together, push things backwards and reach the hands forwards. Inhale, exhale, and then slowly bring yourself all the way up through the spine. I want you to bring your hands under the shoulders. You're then gonna step the knees backwards. Now I want none of this. You've got the weight forward and you're on the fleshy part of your knees here. Hands are underneath the shoulders. Now you're gonna breathe inhale in, and then we're gonna exhale, bend the elbows all the way into the waist, push up, and slowly squeeze all the way back up again. Inhale, exhale, bend the elbows, squeeze all the way up, lift and press all the way down. If you're feeling super advanced today, you can always tuck the toes under and take this push up with the knees up and away from the floor. But I'm gonna stay with my knees down to the floor today, all the way squeeze and lift. We've got 5, drop, squeeze up and lift. 4 more, down and lower, squeeze up, lift. You want one straight line from the crown of the head all the way down to the knees. 3, all the way down, squeeze up and lift. 2, all the way down, squeeze and lift. Now challenge here today, you're gonna bend through the elbows and hold as low as you possibly can. Now navel in, add a little tiny press, press, squeeze, bend the elbows. You have 10, then it's over. Go 8, 7, 6, 5 more presses, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Push the hips backwards. Take a child's pose. Inhale. Exhale, those shoulders, arms should feel nice and warm now. Slowly roll yourself up through the spine. And then bring your right hand across the chest. Take the head to the side. Then bring the left arm across the chest. Take the head to the side. Give yourself a shoulder roll around. Then bring the hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath the hips, but just tuck the toes under, downward dog. Press the heels to the floor, lift the hips high, come into a downward dog. You should feel a nice stretch through the back of the legs, into the calves, into the glutes, shoulders. And then slowly walk your hands all the way into the feet. Take a little bend through the knees, slowly roll all the way up through the spine, nice and slowly. Every vertebrae gets a stretch. And then from here, through the center, and you are now ready for whatever workout you're about to do. If you want to go and head back to my channel, there's plenty of workouts on there that you can choose from. Enjoy your workout, whatever you're doing. Make sure you hit subscribe. See you all soon. Leave me any comments and feedback down below. Bye.